Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, January 13th, and we got no economic news releases scheduled for today. So we'll keep this short and sweet for you folks, but starting tomorrow on to the rest of the week, we do got a lot of important ones. We got the retail sales this week. We got inflationary on the wholesale as well as consumer levels. We got manufacturing in the New York and Philadelphia region, and we got consumer sentiment this week as well. So a lot of impactful news that can come out and stir the markets a bit. So we're just going to jump over the headline news here today. And right now the stock market's down. A lot of it is kind of lingering from the job numbers from last week. There's a lot of investors kind of uncertain as to how that's going to affect the decision on the Fed with their tapering process. But more so, they're also reviewing a lot of earnings since there's not really no economic news release. So they're looking at corporate earnings today as well. And right now, some of them are disappointing and kind of bringing the market down a little bit. Now, we also had a comment here by Lockhart. He's a Fed member. He's not a voting member on the FOMC, on the Fed, but he is the Fed president out of Atlanta. And he basically would support more tapering, similar to what we saw in December, like a 10 billion, very gradual pace, provided that the economy is still looking like it's going to grow between 2.5%-3%, what his forecasts continue. But he did also state that the 6.7% unemployment rate isn't what it really seems to be appear, that the labor market doesn't seem to support that number, that it's not as good a shape as what that number is indicating. So I believe he kind of threw a little caution out there as well during his speech earlier today. So let's go ahead and take a look at the interest rates here today with the bond market. And a very good rise so far today. We ended the day at 100.16 last Friday, and we continue that climb upwards to up 22 basis points for the day, and we're at 100.47. So that's good for a good 31 basis points from where we left off on Friday. So improvement in the interest rates pricing for today. So nice start for the week for the bond market and the interest rates. So this level of interest rates, if you look at it, basically it will be the same level where we were back in around Thanksgiving time, back at end of November. Now, we did have better rates like October and such, but this will bring us back to the level we were back in Thanksgiving, a little bit better in terms of pricing. All right, folks, again, we'll wait till tomorrow. We got a lot more impactful news for the rest of the week, but keep this short and sweet. You guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.